Get excited about the 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.